And on my last debate today, remember referendum 2020 was one of the biggest failures of this year. One of the biggest failures of this year. And finally, viewers, on a day BJP declared Mission 200 for 2021, another BJP worker was found hanging in Cooch Behar now. Here is the latest from Bengal. And then our last debate.
As BJP President JP Nadda touched down in Kolkata amid a rousing reception,
नड्डा का जबरदस्त तरीके से स्वागत हो रहा है। हम अपने दर्शकों को दिखा रहे थे कि कैसे जेपी नड्डा यहां पर आ चुके हैं और जेपी नड्डा यहां से जाएंगे। यहां से बंगाल के दिलीप घोष जो यहां पे बंगाल के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं, वो यहां पर उनके साथ में आए हैं।
BJP worker Swapan Das was found hanging in Cooch Behar. This comes 2 days after violence in Siliguri that led to the death of BJP worker Ulen Roy.
सैकड़ों कार्यकर्ता अस्पताल में भर्ती है और 50 साल के एक वरिष्ठ कार्यकर्ता उलेन रॉय जी की पुलिस की गोली लगने से मौत हुई है।
The battle for Bengal is getting bloodier by the day.
अगर मैं वायलेंस की बात करूं, आज सुबह हमारा एक कार्यकर्ता मारा गया, कल हमारा एक कार्यकर्ता मारा गया। 130 कार्यकर्ताओं ने जाने दे दी, 130 कार्यकर्ताओं।
So while Mamta is firefighting BJP's aggressive campaign,
কোনো এনআরসি করতে দেব না, এনপিআর করতে দেব না এবং কেকা বলে মিথ্যে কথা বলে লাভ নেই। আমরা সবাই নাগরিক, এটা মাথায় রাখতে হবে। বাংলা থেকে বাংলার লোকেদের তাড়িয়ে দাও আর তাড়িয়ে দিয়ে বাংলাকে গুজরাট বানিয়ে দাও। আমরা বলি হবে না, হবে না, হবে না।
the Saffron Party is confident of its Bengal march.
जिस प्रदेश में विचार की लड़ाई खत्म हो जाए और वायलेंस शुरू हो जाए, समझिए कि उस प्रदेश में राजनीतिक एक्टिविटी समाप्त हो जाएगी। और मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि हमारा कार्यकर्ता 2021 में ममता की सरकार को उखाड़ फेंकेगा। इस बात को हम
The gloves are off and the stage is set for a mega Bengal clash. Let's debate.
Tausif Ahmad Khan, my question to you is to start the debate. Tausif Ahmad Khan, please tell Shazia Elmi and Tom Vadakan who killed Swapan Das, latest killing of a BJP worker. Swapan Das, Ulen Roy, I don't still have an answer. He had 32 pellet injuries on him. His post-mortem report was rejected by Mamta Banerjee. Today, Swapan Das, Cooch Behar, found hanging, suspected murder. Can you please reply, Tausif, who killed him?
Yes, I have the answer. It is
One BJP worker being killed on a daily basis and more. Yeah, please.
It is Bengal BJP chief's provocative speeches, instigative speeches, which talks about violence all the time. That is what has killed the BJP worker. There was no need for any BJP worker to carry firearms in a protest meet, which is supposed to be a peaceful protest meet. Why did criminals got involved in a BJP rally? Why BJP workers carried firearms? These are the questions that BJP Bengal chief has to answer.
Swapan Das was found hanging in his house. Shazia Elmi, Shazia.
BJP Bengal chief consistently asks
the person who died was found hanging. Swapan Das, who I referred to, was found hanging. It was not a firearm incident.
Why would he get killed? Yes, Swapan Das, Ulen Rao, Debendu, the list goes on and on. Almost on a daily basis, there is such violence aimed at the BJP workers specifically. And these are bloody killings,
which is
and they go on and on.
The BJP chief
I
himself.
think it is just violence. So violence is instigated by the BJP chief against the BJP. Do you know how idiotic and pathetic that sounds? Instead of being responsible, instead of saying that we do not believe in the political violence and saying that we have to end Mamta's rule and bring sanity
BJP
you have to
chief,
bring.
BJP
No,
Bengal
Tausif,
chief
I'm
has
listening
said
to you.
openly on record.
No, I have seen the video. Tom sir will mention this. There is a video, Arnab. Kailash Vijay Varghese ji has shown a video in which you see the police carrying firearms and hitting protesters along with the TMC goons. No, that is not the misuse and blatant misuse of state machinery. Intolerance, thy name is Mamta. Intolerance, thy name is Mamta. And if you see the social indices, if you see the crime reports, if you see domestic violence, if you see trafficking, if you see rape, if you see violence, it is happening in West Bengal.
Public violence.
No, you're talking about West Bengal, where Mamata Banerjee is the chief minister only for a short while, because people have had it. There has to be political freedom to protest.
Why should
You have to believe in the
Back your
constitution.
political rivals. One second, Monojit, please on the right. One second, Monojit. Monojit, we debate this every day. Every day you come up with one excuse. Can you tell the BJP spokesperson Tom Vadakan? 1 second. There are 130 workers, the BJP says, who have been killed. Your answer is that the BJP is killing its own workers. Okay. Now, can you give one factual proof to back this? You're making a tall claim. You're saying that the BJP leaders have asked for the killing of their own workers. It sounds insane. But even an insane statement like that needs to be backed up with something. Can you back it up with one fact? Since you substantially support Mamta's position that the BJP is responsible for the killing of its workers, remember the words used by Tausif are instigation. Instigation for what? Political instigation? The instigation of a political battle? 1 minute. Is getting into the political bull ring, is getting into a political battle instigation? Suppose you're fighting an election and I stand against you. Am I instigating you to murder me? The Trinamool Congress's approach right now is, by fighting us, you're instigating us. Instigating you to do what? To kill 130 BJP workers?
To kill.
Define instigation.
He is saying that they have a license to kill.
Define instigation.
Arnab, license to kill is what Mamata Banerjee has bestowed on them.
Very name,
The
Mr.
reality
Dilip
is
Ghosh.
it's anarchy.
He symbolizes instigation.
We have lost
The very name
130
Dilip Ghosh
workers.
epitomizes instigation.
Remember,
Every other
130
day
workers. We will win through the democratic process, establish peace in the state of West Bengal. We will put all your criminals behind bars. Remember, we will put all criminals behind bars. We will establish peace in the state of West Bengal. What do you know about Mamata and her murderous friends? She cannot continue. People of West Bengal are going to dump her. You wait.
Certainly does not give us any pleasure to talk about
Telangana, you've seen what is happening. You've seen what has happened in Rajasthan. We are working in West Bengal.
2019 July
All criminals in West Bengal will be sent behind bars.
These are also your
Peace will
instances.
return to West
Please
Bengal.
don't-
Do what you
What are you
may.
doing with the
We have
farmers in
lost
Delhi?
130
BJP
workers. But
doesn't
believe
know
me,
about the history of Bengal.
each
Your
one of
chief,
you
the national
will be
chief of
sent
BJP,
behind
talked
bars
about Tagore
for your
was born in
criminal
Shantiniketan.
activities,
Look
your
at your-
murderous
look at your knowledge
tendencies.
about Bengal.
You can rest assured.
Monojit,
your
my next
murderous
question on the Bengal battle is,
President of
my next question
India
on the Bengal battle is to you and to Shazia. Yeah, Monojit, you like election figures. Let me tell you something.
The history of Bengal
Let me
as
tell you
well.
something. Monojit.
Yes.
Monojit, I want to take you back to 2013. You see, how did the Trinamool... Just 1 minute, Monojit, when I'm asking a question, you don't need to be hyperbolic. Relax.
Cannot disturb our history like that.
Rabindranath Tagore was not from the Trinamool Congress. Don't speak about him like you own his intellectual property rights. Please be respectful towards Rabindranath Tagore. Please. Don't you dare bring... How dare you think... Yeah, how dare you... Is every person who has made... who is from Bengal... who is
how
greatly
dares the
respected,
national
you draw them
president
into
of,
the political
BJP
fabric? Shame on you.
Rabindranath Tagore was
Shame
born
on
in
you.
Shantiniketan.
How dare you bring, how dare you bring
apologized to the
Rabindranath
people of
Tagore in the
this
middle of a
country
political race?
for
Take it back.
distorting the birthplace
Take
of
it back.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Take it back.
Let him learn about
You do
our
not,
culture, our
you do
history.
not dare
Let
bring
him
the names
learn
of
about
Bengal's
our
icons
culture.
into a political debate. I haven't, you don't.
Only you have the right to distort, right?
the Trinamool Congress
Only the
is defined
BJP people
Bengali
have the
culture. You have
exclusive
no
preserve
respect.
of
You think
disturbing
that,
the
do you think that Trinamool Congress has proprietorship over Bengali culture? What is the link between the Trinamool Congress and the culture of Bengal? What are you talking about? The Trinamool Congress is merely a political party.
Persistent killings and cumulative killings
Forget about
just
Trinamool
show one thing:
Congress. Tagore is in our
complete
blood.
and utter
Tagore is the very
helplessness of
consciousness of
TMC,
Bengal and
their
India.
utter desperation,
Right? And you
and the
BJP,
fact that
they are
the
trying to
fact is,
distort
as
this
Thompson
history.
said, peace will come to West
Your
Bengal.
national president
BJP
must
is
first
needed to
apologize
be in
to the people
power.
of this
So
country
Monojit,
for
this attitude of
saying what
yours
he
will
said about
continue
Tagore.
just for a few months. And I'm
If he doesn't know,
I'm
let
so
him
happy
learn
to
the
say
history of Bengal.
that it is a matter of only a few months. For,
Which is so inextricably connected with the history of India.
yes, as Monojit, the attitude that you have,
Mr. J.P.
and
Nadda
the
said that Tagore
complete
was born in
belligerence
Shantiniketan?
attitude.
And the kind of belligerent attitude that the BJP persons, including your national president, said about our culture, our history, our
Oh my God,
consciousness,
belligerent
these are insults to
attitude.
the country.
You have converted.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
West Bengal has had a history of political violence,
Absolutely.
and we know all
You
about
don't
it.
know
We have
about our
studied
history,
it.
about our
But the
culture.
fact
You
of the
try to
matter
have
is, the
mustard
violence
over
has
us.
spiked.
You try
It's
to have
spiked.
try to
Do
have
you know
mustard
something?
over
You
us.
have you know the
fight
only
us on-
history
fight us
that
on the
you
ground of
bear as a
development.
matter of
You
pride
fight
is
on the
that
issue
of
of
political violence.
development.
That
But
is
you
all
every
you
other
do.
day you
You
try to
have nothing
divide
to
us
say.
on
The
communal
worst
life,
kind,
on-
nothing to do
on
with
caste
development.
line, on-
Nothing
on-
at all.
on cultural
Which is why
line.
identity politics is all you can depend on. That is all you do. Which is why there was
Madam,
maximum
what is
I want to, I
right
don't know how many
now?
minutes I have left into the debate, but one point.
How many-
There were areas
I
where
want to make a,
And
I'd like to make a small point.
Thing is happening in
I just want to make one small point, and you need to understand that I think all of this is stemming from a great deal of insecurity, and the insecurity is because just like how after winning 13 districts in the Panchayat elections in 2013, then winning 12 municipalities in municipal elections 2013, the Trinamool Congress was able to make inroads. This is the same way in which the BJP has emerged. If you look at the numbers here, Monojit, you will realize that the political entry of the BJP is following the same way in which the Trinamool itself emerged. The vote share numbers are perilously close to winning.
we will not be captured.
The vote share patterns, 45% in a Lok Sabha elections is no mean feat.
Still the difference is of 5%
We will not be
turn
using
up.
the police to beat up
You,
political
I
opposition.
wish the BJP
Unlike
to,
you,
I
Tom.
wish the BJP to laugh if they wish to.
Because
Wish to
we
rest on
believe
their
in
laurels
peace,
about
Tom.
we believe in
40%.
development.
TMC has
And that is
increased
what
When you-
happened.
how do you deal with
2018,
lunatics, Arnab?
Panchayat
Here's a man who has no
areas
idea about
were
history,
captured.
culture, or ethics,
Booths
which is
were
the strength of a
captured.
Bengali.
Ballot
And this
papers were
TMC mouthpiece
Look at your language.
talks about Rabindranath Tagore, he talks
I'm
about
sorry, Mr.
culture.
Vadakar.
They are a murderous
Your language
trend.
is
All
beyond
that they
your
know
age.
is murder. 130 people we have
your
lost,
age is
and let
beyond
me
your
rest,
language.
let me assure you, we will bring peace in the state.
That's why this kind of language is
We
being
will
used by
assure you that we will maintain law and order and ensure all your criminals are behind bars. Wait patiently and watch.
First,
This is
ensure that
happening, and
you
this.
need to use a good language on television channel. These are
No,
the
don't worry
provocations
my
that you
language.
bring.
My language is
Not just
after
on the street, but on the
130 of my
television
workers
channel.
have been
By
killed.
sitting on the
I
television
am
channel,
with my
you insult
workers.
people by
I am
calling
with
lunatics.
my
I can reply
workers.
back. I won't.
You
Because that
can
is my
reply
culture.
back. You
I
have no
won't, sir.
culture.
I won't. That is my
Carrying
culture.
firearms.
Goons.
That is my
We don't
culture.
reply to goons in decency.
That is my culture.
You are killing political
provoke people
opposition.
even from inside the studio. You provoke people from
Culture,
inside
your
the
culture
studio.
is that of
Forget about
political
what goes on the
violence.
street.
That is your culture.
They are at least
Lack
facing the
of culture
political
cannot be
warfare.
culture.
I don't blame Dilip Ghosh. If educated people like Mr. Tom Vadakar use this kind of language, think about what the people on the
Yes,
street
I will.
do.
When I lose
This
130
is the kind of
workers,
culture
I
that
will
you
speak
only-
worse language
You're the one
because
who
you
said
believe in
he got
violence.
instigated. Who used the word instigation?
By getting law and order in the state.
Who used the word
We will
instigation?
bring law and order in the state. Rest assured, this is happening, and we'll send all your criminals into jail. There will be no bail also available for them because all the trees that you have hung our workers, we will ensure
You can
that
only
they
speak
are
in this
strapped
kind
to
of
those
language.
trees.
You don't
No,
know-
this kind
know
of
the
language is meant for
civility.
you.
Whether
It's
it's
meant
on the
for you
street
because
or
you
in
are
the TV
you
studio,
are the
you
spokesman for the
don't
goons.
care
When you
about
are
the
the
language of
spokesman for the
civility.
goons, you will get this language. Rest assured,
I
you will
think the
receive
viewers-
worse
Raj is
language.
coming to
If
an
you
end.
kill
Viewers,
130
the problem in
people on my
Bengal today is
party,
the problem in Bengal today, viewers, is even the media is under harness. Even the media, Shazia in Bengal is under harness. I believe, and I'm saying it for a second consecutive night, I believe the people of Bengal deserve an independent media. Watch the space. Watch the space. Read my lips. I thank you for joining me. See you at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.